The third leading cause of death behind heart disease and cancer is our own medical system. With 8,000 people a day turning 65, the average patient goes on a 5-year journey from physician to physician, ending up on 10 different medications and still not getting answers.
Hello folks, Russ Scala here from Scala Precision Health. We're just moving into our new facility in Winter Park, Florida, and what I wanted to do today was just kind of show you the difference between traditional medicine and then personalized medicine, what we do. Now understand this, we work with a wide variety of diseases: diabetes, heart disease, dementia. We work with professional athletes, celebrities, even work with heart transplant patients. And what we do, folks, differently is we customize each treatment protocol based on something called biochemical individuality. Now that's a long word, but basically biochemical individuality means we are all biochemically unique. We all need different diets, supplementation, hormonal replacement, and exercise programs in order to move through life and be productive, be cognitively in the game. So one of the things we do, we spend a lot of time educating our clients on the Russ Scala YouTube channel. So you could always take a deep dive there on more of our subject matter, and it's all for free.
There is a better way to improve your quality of life with real, evidence-based, gender-specific science. At Scala Precision Health, we do a discovery process, taking the time to sit with you and learn about your current lifestyle and situation. Next, we conduct thorough research on your specific condition and any conditions that might impact your current situation. Our advanced testing identifies nutritional, metabolic, and genetic abnormalities. From those results, we create a personalized treatment plan designed specifically for you and only you.
This is what happens to a mother, a father, a child, a family member. They end up going on a 4-year journey. They end up going to their general practitioner that does blood work and doesn't find answers. Then they go to a specialist that does more blood work and doesn't find answers. What we could use here as an example is, say we develop a treatment protocol for somebody with dementia. So they go down this road and they end up being put on antidepressants. Our average client, 99.9% of our clients, go on a 4-year journey of self-discovery, and what we're trying to do is close that time into 30 days. The first thing we do, folks, we do a discovery. We spend probably close to 10 hours during the discovery and the research process, and we usually compare and contrast your condition, be it IBS, dementia, heart disease, or somebody that really wants to improve performance. We look at what the best people are doing out there, whether it's the Mayo Clinic or the Shepherd Research Center. We compare what they're doing, and then we customize a treatment protocol for what we can do for you. And that's the beginning of the process. So our process starts out with discovery and testing, and sometimes that's all what people want us to do. They just want us to do the discovery process and build a therapeutic relationship with their physician.
Scala Precision Health is helping people around the world build a therapeutic partnership with their physician. Our research lab and pharmacy are global leaders in the area of personalized medicine. New research shows we are all biochemically unique. There is no one medication, diet, or exercise program that will work for everyone.
I also have coaches around the United States as well as Central Florida that helps people with the coaching process of doing the ketogenic diet or intermittent fasting, or what questions you could ask your doctor. So this is like a 60,000 foot view of what we do differently at Scala Precision Health. We start out with the discovery process, testing, we do the research, and then we put together a treatment protocol that's customized for you and only you. Again, folks, thanks for watching. You could drill down a little bit more on the Russ Scala YouTube channel, see Scala Precision Health here in Winter Park at our new location, and check out American Biohacker, and pick up a copy of my book and write me a good review.